Welcome to our channel. Today we how to improve passive income with Adobe Stock. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by signing up for an Adobe Stock contributor account. Visit the Adobe Stock website and click on the Become a Contributor link. Fill out the required information to create your account. Once registered, familiarize yourself with Adobe Stock's guidelines and requirements for contributors. Next, prepare high-quality images or videos that comply with these guidelines. Focus on popular themes such as landscapes, business, or technology to attract more buyers. Use keyword-rich descriptions when uploading your content to improve its visibility in searches. Upload your assets through the Adobe Stock Contributor portal. Review your submissions to ensure they meet quality standards before final approval. Promote your work through social media platforms to increase exposure. Join online forums or communities related to stock photography to network and gain insights. Track your sales and performance through the Adobe Stock dashboard. Consider expanding your portfolio by continuously adding new content to maintain a fresh presence. Stay updated on market trends to create content that matches current demands. Explore Adobe Stock's promotional tools to enhance your visibility and reach. Engage with feedback from buyers and adjust your offerings accordingly. This is how you can improve your passive income using Adobe Stock. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.